Green iron.
How long is that battery running? It'll last for quite a while.
88 miles an hour. We went back to the future, yo. 88.8. 88.8 miles an hour. Damn. On 6S. Alright, we're gonna put it on 8S now. See what happened, I guess. And that is what do we got right now? You went with a larger motor. Castle Big Block 1650 kV on 8S. I'm sorry, this is on 6S. So it's about the same speed as we're getting about the same speed as the 2350 kV. So yep. Yeah, so same Castle ESC, and oh yeah, and that is on a, well, the smallest pinion we could fit, I believe, was a 29. With the size of the motor, you see the motor is basically sitting on the chassis, and it was hitting on the drive shaft with the stock gear. So I think the stock gear is a 26 stock pinion. We tried 27, still was touching, went to 29. Went 27, 28, and 29 was the one that clears the drive shaft. The center drive shaft, barely though. So it's not quite stock gearing, it's a little bit higher. But we were trying to keep stock gearing with this motor just to see what it would do. But yeah, we're gonna put it on 8S right now and see what it does. Alright. On 8S, GPS is working. It's at 27.3 miles per hour. See how this goes. Oh, too shaky. All right. 8S. Here we go. Clear. Oh man. Can you get it out of there?
I can't see it.
See what this thing says. Woo! The GPS flew over the top. 107 miles an hour. Woo-wee!
What the power?
Damn. 107. 107. Jesus. 107.
No, that's so fast. If we have more room, it'll probably be faster. I'll try it one more time. See the motor feel like.
Yeah, check the motor temp on it. Trying to get the body off here. Huh?
The motor did what?
I said, let's check the motor temp. Bad boy.
Right now, 123.
Man, that thing's not even breathing. Is that right? It can't be right.
135. 135 back there.
Ooh, that's not even
That's the hottest spot. That's the hottest spot.
doing nothing. Like it's like if you didn't put a 12S on this
Like
now.
we can play with this shit.
Like
You can
12S.
play with this like this.
Oh my god. Yep.
That is amazing.
107.
It's still not fast enough though.
You crazy.
72, 2 to 3 minimum.
And no fly too.
Dude start hit 150. I'm not on it.
Oh yeah. All right, we'll do another run. Last run was 107, and that's actually going uphill at 107. So it's like yeah, it's kind of scary to go downhill on this road. Oh, you hit it? You hit the cat eye. Woo! 109. 109. No? It's an Arrma.